हाई एवरीवन, मेकअप एंड ब्यूटी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। सो फाइनली आई एम बैक विथ माय फैब बैग अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो ऑफ द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर. As I was traveling last month, so I couldn't review or couldn't show you the unboxing video of fab bag, but this month I am back with my all regular fab bag unboxing video. So without further ado, let's just start this video. This month की fab bag theme है the Diwalicious. Although Diwali is over, but the festive vibes are still here because there are more festivals are on our way. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। तो पहले मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ इस मंथ के फैब बैग जो एकदम पटाखा स्टाइल है। दिस मंथ फैब बैग look like this. Can you just see the festive vibes are just coming from this lovely glittery golden pouch. It is actually a very perfect pouch that goes with the theme the Diwalicious, which is the theme of this month fab bag. Before I show you what all the products I received, let me tell you one small thing. अगर आप इस month के fab bag को subscribe करते हो, then you are going to get an option where you can choose any one eyeliner, that is a gel eyeliner all from Sugar Cosmetics, and also you will get to chance to choose one lipstick from the brand Brick. Let me show you what I choose and what I receive. So the first product जो मैंने choose किया है और जो मुझे मिला है और वो है Sugar Cosmetics Born to Wing Gel Eyeliner in the shade 03 Brown Sugar. ये full size gel eyeliner है जिसका प्राइस है ₹599 and I choose the shade brown. So ये है the outer packaging of the gel eyeliner, whereas the gel eyeliner look like this. It is very cute as you can see. So मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी. All I just have to say, I just love Sugar Cosmetics gel eyeliner. They are long stay, they are transfer proof, smudge proof, and yes, they are very pigmented. I have all of them from Sugar Cosmetics long back जब इन लोगों ने ये जेल eyeliner लॉन्च किया था, but I have just ended up the brown one and so I just got a chance to choose one gel eyeliner from this month fab bag, so I just choose this brown eyeliner. ये जो brown eyeliner है, this eyeliner is a very versatile shade and it will look good across all skin complexion. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं एक डेमो वीडियो where I'm going to show you the application of this brown gel eyeliner.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the time to hold me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Oh, oh, I wish that you were here. Oh, oh, I wish that you were here. 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 There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I yearn for the time to
Moving on to the next product, and this product I just super happy because this is a perfect color for fall and I never expected that this color will look that much good on my skin tone. If you subscribe to this month fab bag, तो आपको भी ये option मिलेगा to choose this lip color among all the other shade. Let me show you what the lip color that I pick and I receive, and that is this Brick New York Ultimate Matte Liquid Lipstick. It is in shade 12, which is named as Vampire Red, and this is the lip color that I am also wearing on my lips today, and let me tell you, I just love this lip shade. Just love it. So yes, I already have one lip shade from this brand that I already got in past one of my fab bag and I totally love it. Although the wand is little bit on the stiffer side, but still the colors are really pretty. They are pretty pigmented as you can see, and they are very comfortable on my lips. So now it's time for the short demo video once again, where I'm going to apply this lip color on my lips so that you can see how are the wand and how is the quality of this lip color.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new life. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
तो विंटर इज हेयर एंड नाउ हम लोगों की होठ फटना शुरू हो जाएंगे. इन दिस मंथ ऑफ फैबबैग आई गॉट अ यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट दैट इज जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर दिस विंटर सीजन एंड लेट मी शो यू व्हाट इट इज. एंड दिस इज KB's 2-in-1 lip scrub and balm. This one is a full size which is price rupees 299. और ये जो लिप स्क्रब है I have already tried and tested. Let me tell you, I really like the taste of this lip scrub. Yes, I tested. It smells like a strawberry and it is very hydrating and a very good lip scrub. I don't know why it is said कि ये lip balm है, because ये तो lip balm कहीं से भी नहीं लगते हैं. But yes, जब भी आप इससे lip scrub करोगे, after removing that scrub from your lips will feel pretty hydrating, because it feels like there is something, a balm like a leave-on something on your lips that make your lips look moistured and hydrated. So I really like this lip scrub, and yes, I have also done a short demo video over this lip scrub so that you can see that how this lip scrub look like.
We're here to give me everything I want, but I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. I wish that you were here.
Moving on to the fourth product. The fourth product that I receive is this Eclat Superior Fade Out Pigment Correcting Serum. It is a sample size which is priced rupees 100. And let me tell you, I am yet to try out this serum because मेरे पास already इतने सारे serum हैं and I am just testing them and reviewing them one by one. So I might take little bit time to try out this one. Moving on to the fifth product. The fifth product that I receive is this V Health Intimate Wash. It is again a sample size which is priced rupees 100. We all women need intimate wash. In fact, personal hygiene is very important in our women's lifestyle. I know there are many women who just ignore this part of their lifestyle, but definitely, and I would highly recommend you to start taking care of your personal hygiene. So yes, another useful product from Fabbag in this month. Moving on to the last product, and it is a bonus product that have no mention in this card, but let me show you what I receive. I received this healing body clay. It has the ingredients of neem, chandan, aloe vera, santra, multani mitti, kaolin clay, turmeric, mint and rose. You just had to mix a teaspoon or more with rose water or normal water, or you can apply it with apple cider vinegar also. You have to make a thin paste and then you have to apply it all over the body. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes until the clay is completely dry, and then just rinse with cold water, followed by you need to apply a moisturizer. I have never used anything like this, so definitely I am going to try out this because I am very curious to see how it actually works. Moreover, when it's winter, I feel that my skin needs some extra care, and this product can be easily added in my skincare routine. So I am definitely going to try out this product. So that's complete my this month fab bag unboxing video, and these are all the products I received. Let me tell you very honestly, this month fab bag I like it because one, I got Sugar Cosmetics gel eyeliner. Second, I got one of the most prettiest or I would say the beautiful lip shade. Actually मुझे पता नहीं था कि कौन सा शेड क्या है. I just choose randomly one shade just seeing the name, because ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत सारे brands है जहाँ पे name देख के आपको पता नहीं चलता है what is the shade. But when I saw the vampire red shade name in this lipstick range, I just choose this one because I just wanted something dark red kind of lip color in my stash, because as it is fall and we all look out for dark lipstick right now, so I just wanted something like that. And let me tell you, I just got it what I just wanted. There is nothing confusing in the name of the lipstick from this brand, and I'm super happy. Along with that, I got 3 products which are definitely very useful. So over in all, I would say that this month fab bag impressed me. I am happy and I would recommend you to try out this month fab bag. If you just want to try out Sugar Cosmetics gel eyeliner, or if you want to try out this lip color particularly, then do subscribe to this month of fab bag. My coupon code has already been mentioned in the description box below in case you are subscribing to the 6 and 12 month subscription of fab bag. So yes, that's complete my today's video, and I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish, as winter is here, so take care of your skin. Bye.